Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you're well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to turn a picture into circle shape in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see turn picture in circle. Now going to the toolbar option. Now select from shape tool. Now click on circle shape. Now draw a circle. Now we choose from color. Now select from color. Now you can see, then turn picture into the circle. Now going to the file one option, then click. Now click from open. Now select from picture. Now click open option. Now I going then show the open picture and keyboard press Ctrl A and move the picture. Now you can see, then I show circle and picture. Now we going to the layer option. Now select from click from mouse right button option. Now click from create clipping marks. That it's. Now you can see turn picture into cycle in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.